Hello students, myself Aarti Sharma. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 11, Symmetry and Pattern. To understand that, first of all you have to understand symmetrical figures. Symmetrical figures, those figures which can be divided into two identical parts. Which can be divided a figure into two identical parts, we call that symmetrical figure. Okay, the next one is line of symmetry. The line that divides a figure into two symmetrical halves, we call that line of symmetry. Okay, both are related to each other, symmetrical figure and line of symmetry. When we are making a line of symmetry on a symmetrical figure, then we are getting two identical halves there. Just see here, if I am taking here the example of a face, just see here, in face two eyes, then this is a smiley face. Okay, when we have to divide this with the help of a vertical line from above to down, what happened? Just see here what happened. Half part of face is on left hand side and half part is on right hand side. Both the parts are identical. One eye is on this side and half lips on here. On other side, one eye and half lips. So both the parts are identical. This is called symmetrical figure. For understanding this, I am taking here example. Just see here, this is a figure of heart. Okay, when we open this, a full heart is here. When we close this from the center, this is the center. When we close this from the center, what happened? We get a half heart. Okay, first one part of the heart is covered, the other half of the heart, we call that symmetrical figure, which cover the other half part, we call that symmetrical figure. And the line from where we have to divide this into two equal parts, we call that line of symmetry. Okay, this is the one example to you. Next one I am taking here, figure of star. Just see here, this is the figure of star. When we open this, this is a star. When we close this from the center, this is the center. When we close this from the center, what happened? One half part of the star is covered by the second half part of the star. Means this is again a symmetrical figure, and this line is called line of symmetry. I hope you all understand what is the symmetrical figure and what is line of symmetry. Now next we are going to teach you exercise 1, where you have to draw the line of symmetry for given figure. First figure is given there, that is an alphabet A. If I am going to make here line of symmetry, how I make? Just see here, from this side, if I am making the line from this side, what happened? Not both the faces are identical, so we are making from the above to down a vertical line we are making here. When we draw this vertical line, half part of A is identical the other half part of A. So we get here only one line of symmetry. Next is alphabet B. From which side we have to make here the line of symmetry? If we are making from the above, is it correct? No. Both the part is not identical when you have to draw the line of symmetry from the above to down, from vertical side. If you are taking this from horizontally on this side, left hand side to right hand side, both the part are same. Above part is same as the below part. So the line of symmetry is drawn as horizontally. Only one line of symmetry is here, and we have to draw that from left hand side to right hand side. Next is alphabet C. Again, if we are drawing from above to down vertically line, that is not possible here. That is not line of symmetry. So we have to draw this again from left hand side to right hand side. Horizontally line we have to draw there for line of symmetry. Again only one line of symmetry. Next figure you have to given there a box. Inside the box one more box is there. So how many line of symmetry are here? Just see here, one line of symmetry is coming from above to down. vertically. First line of symmetry. Second one is from this corner to opposite corner. This is the second line of symmetry. First, second. Third one is from the left hand side to right hand side. This is third line of symmetry. Then next, from this corner to this corner. We call this fourth line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry we can draw on here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 line of symmetry are there. Next one is given here. A shape like this. And when you are drawing here the line of symmetry, you can draw from above to down. So this is the line of symmetry for this figure. Only one line of symmetry is here. After that, given the figure, that is a butterfly. When you have to divide a butterfly from the middle, you get two identical halves. But from which side you have to divide this? From above to down. This is again a vertical line. We call this line of symmetry. This line of symmetry divide this figure of butterfly into two equal halves. I hope you all understand symmetrical figure and line of symmetry better. Thank you and have a nice day.